Well...
Yeah.
You didn't tell me. How's the distributor working?
Oh, not so hot. But the cam's fine. The cam's just swell. But I got a short somewhere.
Short's in the distributor? Did you check the coil? The contact may be bad.
I never thought of that. Pig, you're a flip. Oh, I didn't mean that. Honest, I didn't. Don't be sore. Please don't be sore. Peggy? Oh, I'm sorry. Because... Ow!
Robbie, are you all right?
It looks like we're in for a little storm.
We're going to have a big storm if that kid doesn't get home pretty soon.
You may be going through a little rough weather right now.
Dating a girl at his age. It's ridiculous.
Well, Bub, next time I offer one of the boys advice, remind me not to, will you? I don't know, Bub. I might have left it in the dining room here. Oh, hi, Rob. I didn't hear you come in. Have a good time?
Nah.
What's wrong?
I think maybe I got a chipped tooth.
How'd you do that?
Not me, Peggy.
You mean she did belt you?
Are you kidding?
Steve. What's the forecast?
Oh, spring fever till around Christmas, with possible drop in temperature after New Year's. Occasional scattered storms moving in a feminine direction. No sign of frost.